Hello everyone, welcome to online class of science. So here I am back with my new video, and in today's video we will know about plants, and the name of the chapter is Getting to Know Plants. So before I start, I like to request you all to keep your book along with you so that you will be able to understand the topic properly and in a better way. So let's start. So plants, I'm sure that most of you have observed the plants in the school garden or at home or somewhere nearby park. Have you ever noticed like they are of same kinds? And so all of you have noticed. And you have find that no, they are not of same kinds. They are different. Some are big while some are small. Some have big leaves, but some have small leaves. Some have red flowers, some have blue, yellow, pink. And there may be some that have none also. So when you closely observe the plants, you find differences in their stems, roots, leaves, branching patterns, and so on. So there are categories of plants on the basis of size and nature of stem. Most plants are classified into three categories, and they are trees, shrubs, and herbs. And there are also two types. There are creepers and climbers. So let us look at them and try to know them. So herbs. Herbs are the plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. They are usually short and may not have many branches. They are also used for foods, flavoring, medicines, or perfume. So these herbs are short. Short means like they are less than 4 feet. Okay, and their stems are totally in green color. And the thickness of the stem is very thin and soft. And they may not have the branches, and they have the very short lifespans. They live for 1 or 2 seasons. Okay, and the examples of herbs are like tomato or mustard or sunflower plants. Next we have is shrubs. Some plants have the stem branching out near the base. The stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. An area of cultivated shrubs in a park or a garden is known as a shrubbery. So, these shrubs, they are medium sized. They are like less than 8 feet, and their stems are like brown in color. And the thickness of the stem is very thin, not very thin but thin, but it is quite harder than the herbs. And the stem has branches near the base of the plant. Okay, and many years, but the lifespan is like many years but less than the lifespan of a tree. And the examples of shrubs are, you have noticed, like you have seen the plant of rose or China rose or lemon. So these are the examples of shrub. These are the shrub plants. Next is trees. So some trees are very tall and have hard and thick branch stems. The stems have branches in the upper part, much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. They tend to be long-lived, some reaching several thousand years old. So trees, they are tall. They are many meters, and their stem is brown in color, and the thickness, they are thickness of the stem is thick. Okay, and It is very hard, and the stem has branches in the upper part much above the ground, and they lives for several years. And the examples of trees are like mango tree, pipal tree, gulmohar tree. These all are. There are many trees. Next we have is climbers and creepers. So, like while walking around the park or near somewhere at your home also, so do you find some plants with weak stems? Okay, so plants with weak stems that cannot stand straight on their own and they spread all over the ground, they are called as creepers. Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called as creepers. Okay, and the examples of creepers are like watermelon, pumpkin, or mint, bottle gourd. These are all the examples of the creepers. Next we have is climbers. Plants that cannot support on neighboring structure and climb up are called as climbers. So climbers are the plants with weak stem that take the support of some walls or other plants to climb. By the name climbers, you came to know that they climb. And they are called as climbers. Like plants like peas, grapevine, see they have taken the support of some other trees, or money plant. So they are all the climbers. Next we have is parts of a plant. Plants have different parts. You have noticed, if you have seen the plant, you have noticed they have the different parts, and each of these parts performs a specific job, and the parts of the plant are divided into two main systems, and they are the root system and shoot systems. Root systems and shoot systems. Okay, so let us know what are the root systems and what are the shoot systems. Okay, so the plant or the part of a plant that grows mainly under the ground, they form the root system. Okay, and the parts like stem, leaves, flowers, fruits that remain above the ground, they form the shoot system. Okay, so what are the shoot system? The flowers, then fruits, stem. Okay, this is the stem, then leaves and bud, then internode and node. And the root systems were like primary root, secondary root. Okay, so these all are the root systems. Hope it is clear to you all about the part of a plant and classifications of plants or categories of plants. So in our next class, we will know about the root system or shoot systems. So till then, take care. Bye.